lightsaber here that I'm going to do an unboxing on. And it is Mace Windu. This is how it comes in the box. Slots. Boom. So I grabbed this little Phillips so I could take this cover off and go and put some batteries in here. It takes 3 AAA batteries. I had to steal these out of a remote for my TV because I didn't have a bunch of AAAs laying around, so you just screw that back in. And there you go. So now it's going to slide back in here, like so. And then we could screw this back in. So he has a really nice lightsaber hilt, and he has these nice cool gold accents, rank of the master. So, boom, first light up, looks really cool, nice purple. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I got this from Target. I mean, it was like, I think it was $118 or so. It's pretty responsive to with the noise. Do some dueling. Cool. Well, thanks, guys. This is a unboxing Mace Windu's lightsaber. Go check it out. It's from Hasbro's FX series.